guys, I'm Daiwik. Today I'm doing lava lamp. In this experiment, we need half cup of oil and half cup of water and food color. You can use any food color you want. And scissor tablets. Let's do it. First, we need to add the water. Second, we need to add the food colors. One more. And we need to mix it. Then we need to pour the oil. And we need to put the scissor tablets. What will happen? Let's see. 1, 2. Wow, so growing. 3. Whoa. 4. So glowing. Oh, wow. Because the bubbles are carbon dioxide. Because the tab is right, that's why it's bubbling. The experiment is done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, ring the bell, and see you next time. Bye!